Okay, so Butter stream. I also put Butter Chan next to me. Let me put her next to me. Butter. Which one is the right one? Is this the one? Boop. Oh, is this the right one? I'm gonna put her next to me. And boop. There you go. I put her next to me. Is this Butter single asking for me? She's taken by me. That's my wife. Her name is Butter-chan. We're in a loving, committed relationship. Long time. So you guys can have her. Okay, it's my wife, not yours. My wife. Alright, you guys got it? Don't cover the money makers. I'm not. Wait, what are the money makers? Oh, shut up, John. I hate you.